Are you concerned about your retirement savings in the face of today's economic uncertainty? You're not alone. With inflation skyrocketing, the value of the dollar shrinking, and recent instability in the banking sector, it's becoming harder than ever to keep your hard-earned money safe. Now, here's something you might not know. Even in these turbulent times, there's one powerful strategy that can protect your retirement from erosion. It's called a gold IRA. Let's break this down. Right now, the news is filled with stories about inflation hitting record highs, with prices on everything from groceries to gas making it harder for retirees to stretch their dollars. On top of that, a growing number of banks are collapsing, and stock market volatility seems to be the new normal. All of this means one thing. If you're relying on traditional assets like cash, stocks, or bonds to fund your retirement, you might be walking a financial tightrope. But what if there was a way to hedge against all of this? Gold has been the go-to asset for protecting wealth for thousands of years, and right now it's more critical than ever. Why? Because gold doesn't lose value like paper currencies or stocks. It holds its worth, even during times of crisis. And by moving part of your retirement savings into a gold IRA, you can secure your future no matter what happens to the dollar or the stock market. Now, I know you might be thinking, this all sounds too good to be true, but let me tell you, it's not. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. A gold IRA is a straightforward, legal, and reliable way to diversify your retirement savings and protect what you've worked so hard to build. So what's the catch? Why isn't everyone doing this? Well, there are some complexities to setting it up, and you'll want to make sure it's the right fit for you. Not every retirement account qualifies, and the process can seem a bit overwhelming. That's why it's crucial to speak with someone who knows the ins and outs of gold IRAs, someone who can guide you through the steps to see if it's truly the right move for your specific financial situation. And that's exactly why we're offering a free gold IRA guide and a no-obligation consultation call. If you have $100,000 or more in your IRA or 401k, we'll walk you through the process and help you understand exactly how a gold IRA could be your best move to protect your wealth. There's no pressure, no gimmicks, just one-on-one education from people who are here to help you make the best decision for your future. But here's the secret I teased at the start. By getting this free guide and call, you'll also learn some insider secrets, strategies that most people don't even know exist, to help you diversify your savings and protect them from economic chaos. These are the same strategies that have been used by savvy investors for decades. So, if you're serious about making your retirement truly crisis-proof, don't wait. Click the link in the description for your free gold IRA guide and consultation call today. We'll take the time to explain your options and make sure you're set up for a secure retirement, no matter what happens in the economy. Remember, you've worked hard to build your retirement savings. Now, it's time to protect them for the next generation. Don't let economic instability steal your peace of mind. Get your free guide now and take the first step towards securing your financial future with a gold IRA. You've earned it.